doing an unboxing. Fun, fun. Hi, Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and we are going to do an unboxing, another bonus video. And Jody orders these, and they're called Allture, and they have many little goodies in them, so we're gonna open it up and see what's in it. Here we go. Oh boy, there's a pamphlet.
It's like a little catalog.
Oh, it's like a little catalog, and it has summer 24 camping stuff. And oh, it's got recipes and all kinds of things in it. And makeup. And that would be a nice place to be. Okay, let's get into the box. Ooh.
Fun, fun.
No kidding. What does that say?
It says Glitter Power Club Outdoor Packable Blanket.
Oh, it's a blanket. Comes in a package. Let me just make sure we're focusing good.
Outdoor Packable Blanket.
Mm-hmm.
It's double-sided. It's got the black sort of waterproof material.
Oh, cool.
And
Oh,
then
so you can lay that on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That can
that's cool.
live in the van or the Jeep.
Yeah.
Okay. And a
I just want to show the box, all the goodies that's in it. Okay.
and then a Pro Blush Quad Palette.
Oh, nice. Nice.
And a exfoliating mitt.
So you can exfoliate yourself.
Yeah, I guess you'd wear it in the shower, use it in the shower.
Yeah. Oh, you
Yeah.
can put the soap right in it too.
Yeah.
Huh. And it just rubs on your skin.
You could probably dry brush yourself with that too.
That's nice. I get rid of a lot of dead skin.
And what's this? Oh,
Oh.
a little cute little basket.
Oh, it's a little basket.
Can you open it?
Sure. We'll open it up. Oh, it's like a basket with a lid on it. That's very cool. Excuse the rattling noise.
Yeah, I think it would come off.
Yep.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, and that's what it looks like. That's what it looked like. And it says,
Well, that would be cute to put on my coffee table.
grafted, unique. You read it because I can't see it.
It said grafted by Colara. Unique products made by marrying centuries-old craftsmanship and its inherent consideration for the environment with contemporary living needs around the world. And it's made from seagrass.
Yeah, it smells very earthy. It's really cool.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. That'll be fun to set on my
And
table.
it has this cute little handle on the top. And it's just a little catch-all basket. That is the sweetest little thing. Nice. Okay.
And then another beauty product called Wander Beauty Upgrade Lashes Treatment Mascara.
Oh.
It's black, jet black.
Well, I need a new
I know, I
mascara.
was gonna say, you might as well take it home with you. because I won't use it. So you can have it.
Yes.
Jet black too. You like black
I
mascara.
do. I wear black mascara. It's got a little tab thing
Yes,
there.
it does. Do you want me to get the scissors again? Or can you do it?
Nope.
Here.
I can rip it.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, you might as well have it.
Not gonna keep the box anyhow. We'll just recycle the box.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, it's
Like a tube.
Like a tube.
Turn
Okay,
it around.
let's.
Yeah, so
There's
we
the
can see
front.
Oh, nice.
Let's have a look at the brush.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice wand.
Oh, it's got a nice wand on it. Yeah. Okay, that's
Anna's
awesome.
got a new mascara.
Yeah, I was just gonna buy one.
Perfect.
Saved by Jody. Nice.
Last but not least, this Make Lemonade. It's a pitcher.
Oh,
Pretty, maybe. We'll see. Well, isn't this pretty?
oh, that's beautiful. Who do you know that has lemons in their kitchen?
know.
Anybody? I know someone that has yellow in her kitchen. That is really nice.
I think Nana's gonna go home with a couple of presents.
Oh, Nana's got boxes full of presents from her daughter's closet. And I will do a show and tell when we get home.
Yeah.
That is really pretty. And just set them here so I can do it before.
Okay. And then I have to fold this back
Fold
up, I
the
guess.
box. Well, wasn't that fun? Well, maybe I might have to order myself this thing. I really like this. I could use everyone that's here. And sometimes, well, my daughter does use some of this stuff as gifts
Yes, I do.
for people. Because you always need a little gift here and there. So we're just gonna get the blanket folded up so we can do a little overview. Okay. Yeah, you can leave the box there. Just close the lid and put the allure up, I guess.
Allture, you mean?
Oh, true. Yeah. Can't see the name. Yeah, just lay that down. I think that looks good. Okay, here's all our goodies.
And where's that little magazine?
Oh yes, and the magazine. It's kind of a summer catalog.
It must be the summer box.
This is the summer box, Jody is saying. Now let's stick it under here. There, okay. So this is from Allture, and the blanket is waterproof on one side, so when you put it on the ground, you won't get wet if the ground is damp, which we need in this country. And the beautiful lemon pitcher, and makeup Pro Blush Quad Palette. So that's your blushes. And the cute little
Seagrass.
cute little seagrass container, which smells very earthy and fun. And our exfoliating mitt. And our new mascara, yay! And the catalog, which has beautiful photographs in it and great things you can buy. There's the blanket. And there's a fun bowl. There's our picture. And all the stuff. I guess that comes and some recipes. Lovely. Oh. And she put her little container on her coffee table with her other stuff. And this could be the beginning of her fall decor. It's so beautiful. Well, that was fun to do with my morning coffee and my daughter. And I'd like to thank you for watching this little box opening. And we'll see you on my next video. Bye!